Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Notion AI to pretty much give you a full shopping list and a full meal plan for each of the 7 days, so Monday to Sunday. You can go ahead, you can ask Notion AI to do this from scratch, and it will give you, individual meals for each day to make it, a little bit more interesting. So as you can see, I've just on a blank page right here, and I've just named it YouTube tutorial just for the sake of the video. But first of all, what you'll want to do is you'll want to press space to initiate, obviously, the AI prompt. And this is what you'll be given right here. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to ask Notion to create me a meal plan based on an amount of calories that my body would need in order to, lose weight, for example. So let's just say that I need around 1800 calories per day in order to, be in a calorie deficit in order to lose weight. So what I would start off by, asking Notion is something like create me. So something like this is what you could ask Notion. So all I've put is create me a meal plan containing 1800 calories per day with a variety of meals for each day. So, this will keep it a little bit more fresh. So if I click on enter, what it will do is it will start writing out, a meal plan based on 1800 calories per day. So as you can see, day one, it will give you a breakfast, a snack, a lunch, a afternoon snack, and then a dinner. And as you can see, it's going to go through all through the 7 days, and it will give you each individual day a different meal. So as you can see, we've got all of this right here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm basically going to tell Notion to put this into a shopping list so that you can have a shopping list, you can print it out, do whatever you want, you can take a picture, a screenshot, whatever it may be, and then you can take it to the supermarket and do your shopping with it. So let's just go down here, we will go press space to, prompt the AI. And then what we can do now is we can go ahead and say something like make this a shopping list. Click on enter, and what that will do is it will literally make this a full shopping list. So it will obviously then separate it into different categories. So we've got vegetables, fruits, proteins, and other. So as you can see, this is all you would need. All these ingredients right here are all you would need in order to use this meal plan right here that Notion has given you from scratch. And it contains 1800 calories per day. So obviously you could do it for 2500 calories, you could do it for 1500, whatever it may be, whatever requirements you need. You can go ahead, ask Notion to, prepare you a meal plan, and it's just that simple, guys. Notion AI is pretty good at what it does, and it's super simple to get a meal plan if you're struggling, to meet your goals. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.